And Farm Minister Sharad Pawar, who is touring the worst affected states, says that the situation is not very good and the government is making arrangements which are necessary.
We have visited Maharashtra, Karnataka and आज हमने गुजरात की विजिट की। इस साल खास तौर पर सौराष्ट्र कच्छ इस विभाग में बहुत ही कम बारिश हुआ है और बाकी राज्य के बारिंग फ्यू एक्सेप्शन मेजॉरिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की स्थिति भी कोई संतोषजनक नहीं है। ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एक, पशुधन बचाने के लिए पाउडर और बाकी सहायता दो, सूखे के संकट में जो लोग आए हैं और जिनकी खेत पर कोई बुआई हुई नहीं उनको रोजी देने के लिए एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने की जो बात है, इसमें आज के जो रूल्स रेगुलेशन है इसमें कोई रिलैक्सेशन देने की आवश्यकता है। इस तरह की डिमांड सरकार ने की।
Meanwhile, Planning Commission's Montek Singh Ahluwalia said that the government will take all measures to deal with any drought-like situation, but admits that weak monsoon will impact agri and GDP growth adversely.
The Ministry of Agriculture has been making several what I would call precautionary plans to try and deal with the situation. Agricultural growth will not be as good as it would have been in a normal year. It's actually too early to tell what the impact on the full year agricultural growth will be, but a certain amount of income and employment stress in rural areas, which we have to counter, and in that respect the existence of the MGNREGA scheme provides a kind of automatic stabilizer. Two things have to be done. In those parts of the country where the drought is very severe, drinking water will be a problem. And I think they've made an analysis of what are the states which might need to resort to tankers to make available drinking water in stressed habitations. Also, in many parts, fodder will become a problem. We factor in that agriculture will not be strong. I would then go closer to 6, that is 6.5. It's very clear that this is not going to be a year of strong growth, but that's not the important point. The important point is for the last 2 or 3 months, we've been aware of it. We have to take corrective steps. We have to bring back investment levels, raise investment spirits, tackle problems that are holding back. That's the important thing.